part 2 of our How to Build a Cult for Small Businesses series. This is how to build a cult for influencers. Having a loyal following in many ways is like having a cult. So we're jokingly being inspired by cults in how we can use those same strategies and tools in building those deeply devoted customer followings for our small businesses. So in our previous video, we talked about how to build a cult for marketers. And in this video, we're going to break that down even more and talk about it for influencers. So if you are a small brand, if you are a one-person solopreneur and you're using your personal brand or your movement brand, this is definitely a video for you. In this video, we're going to talk about the line you should never cross. We'll talk about how to skyrocket your visibility, and we'll talk about what influencers know but don't use for some reason. Stay tuned. You as an influencer, you as a brand need to draw a line in the sand. You need to show your people what you stand for. You need to actually take a stand for something. So what I want you to do in your brand and in your business is to figure out what that line in the sand is. What is it that you and your brand stands for? For me, in visibility hacking, we are all about small businesses. We believe that small businesses are the key to a successful economy. And we want to push over those big brands, we want to push over those big budget tactics, and we want to use those in favor of our small businesses. That is the line we draw in the sand. We determine our values based on how they relate to that North Star. So what is it for your company? What is that line in the sand that you draw? Let us know actually down in the comments. That would be a fantastic thing to learn about you guys, our visibility hackers. If you want to skyrocket your visibility, you have to stop thinking about the cameras always being on you, the influencer. What I want you to start thinking about is how you can shift that focus away from the leader of the movement and towards the movement itself. To highlight the successes of those in the community, those who have taken the plunge and joined your following. What you're going to do is create content that highlights all of those successes. Of course, you can sprinkle in some content about you, the awesome, attractive leader of your movement, but of course, you want to constantly be sharing the successes and the highlights of your community members as well. If you want to be one of us, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join us here on the channel, new videos every week. Consistency is key. Influencers know this, content creators know this, small businesses know this. But for some reason, we don't actually utilize that understanding within our content plans that we create. So we want to make sure that we are creating a place that is consistent for our people to show up. Now, really valuable content is content that not only will impart that value to your people, it'll teach them something per se, it'll entertain them if that's your objective, but that it also creates a space that deepens the relationship. And the easiest way to do that is to build your live stream show. Start building it and showing up on a consistent schedule. That's when your people are going to start scheduling you into their lives. They're going to start putting your show into their priorities for the day. That's when you start to build those deeply loyal followings. And if you want to learn how to build your own live stream show that is designed to help connect you to new audiences and also ascend those community members up through your products and services, then join us for Live Academy. In there, you're going to learn how to build the show, how to market the show, how to get it out to people, and ultimately how to make money off of every single viewer. It's a great way to learn all of those ropes because we got coaches that are going to take you through the entire process. So why not take the plunge? Start today, absolutely free. Download down below the live stream analysis. This is part of the very first lesson in Live Academy. It asks us to look at the content we're already creating and figure out where on our success matrix you fit. So click the link down below, download that if you're interested in joining for Live Academy, where we can help you skyrocket those scores up to the rooftops and below and beyond. Then definitely join us for Live Academy. The links are down there in the live stream analysis workbook. I'll see you in our next one, my friends. Until then, remember, I love you, be excellent to each other, and just go live.